If you know, you know. Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I am Jada, and as you can tell if you read the title, this is my travel birthday vlog. Yes, and I just want to know, are y'all ready to do some fly stuff while looking even flyer? Sorry for if y'all see a little shadow behind me. It is late night, early morning. I am about to head out shortly and start this journey and get to traveling. We are going to New Orleans, y'all. We are going to Louisiana, and we will be staying at the Ritz Carlton hotel. Before we get any further into this vlog, I want to thank every single person that wished me a happy birthday, told me to make a wish, that gifted me, all of the above. Everybody that wished me well, God bless you. I appreciate you so much. If you know, you know, like, my birthday is never just one day. Like, I'm still going. Like, literally, I got my first birthday gift on Halloween, October 31st. If you did not know, I am a Thanksgiving baby, so this vlog is gonna go into Thanksgiving. It's really time for me to go, so I'm gonna show y'all my luggage. I'm gonna chop it up with y'all soon. This is my Telfar. This is the bag that I'm traveling out with. I got my necklace, Juicy Couture luggage to match, my new Juicy pillow. Juicy Couture sent me this pillow for free, y'all. They sent that pillow for free. Do not mind everything I got in this bag. I literally have a Telfie and a Telfie. There's like 2 tripods in here. Oh, I almost forgot my rings. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me make sure I got everything, y'all. I gotta go get my blanket out the dryer. I gotta put my rings on, so hold on. Rings and blanket secure. Let's go. Okay, y'all, I'm at Ruby Slipper. Cranberry mimosa, beignets, breakfast potatoes, chicken patty sausages, and 2 eggs. My parents' food looks so good.
Don't really trust what's on the internet, but maybe just this once. Hate to admit, but it might be true. Hate to admit, but I think you knew.
Got early check-in, but we're earlier than early check-in. We're trying to find a bathroom and let them know we're here, but we've made it to the Ritz. Found the bathroom. Here's me. Literally so grand in here, and I haven't even checked into my room yet, child. We are at Sephora. I'm about to get my birthday gift from them. Birthday gift options. Makeup Mario. Is that like 2 things in there? Like a liner and a...
Yes.
Do you know what the other product is?
It's a
Okay, so literally got 3 things. I got my birthday gift. Y'all can't see it all. We're gonna unbox it. And a couple of my other gifts in the room. Got my birthday gift. And got 2 other things. One that I kind of needed, one that I really needed. I was tempted to go in the van store, but I'm gonna wait to do it in the city. Probably this weekend when I get back home. The large selfie comes in clutch, but sheesh. But I've been getting so many compliments on my outfit. I always get compliments on how cozy I look when I travel. And I think that's a good thing, because I try not to give like, oh my gosh. What the? What the? Random parking lot just screeching while I'm trying to vlog. What I was saying? I be trying not to give bummy, you know, still cute, but still cozy. Until lunch. So I had to find a beauty supply, because I need a wig band. See if they got it. Which one we gonna go for? A regular blade. Go for something cute. Oh, my mama called me sexy earlier. Should I get one of these? I feel like this not gonna really like tie you down though, but that's so tea. It's like a headband. Like, I was thinking of getting a headband too. I don't want these. Glam. It's kind of cute. White, or should I do black? What you want to do black? Hold on, y'all. Somebody calling me. Ballet's coming. Yeah, I got a really big bag. I don't even want to touch it. Thank you so much. There's not some we can sit here. Was that a knock at the door? Oh, bar. Let's see. Yeah, it is. Hey.
It's alright if I come in?
Yeah. I didn't even look out this window. Oh, I can see the palm trees. Okay, little palm trees. This is a nice view. Cute. We're gonna really get into it, you know, when we alone. Oh, here got my robe. It's so cute. For your area. It's so cute. Okay, so the Mithi. Or these. The Mithi. If you know, you know. Oh my gosh, my nails look so good right here. What y'all think? They're so tea. And I'm the nail tech. Would you believe these press-ons? Linked in description. I'm putting you down. The ceiling literally out. I'm glad it's not raining because what the my room was cold. I was hot in there, girl, but I think it's what I had on at first. You want me to point? I don't know what this one is. This one's fire. That one looks like it got like a Tahini rim. I don't know if
It's
like
strawberry, blueberry, mango, and lime.
Yeah, lamb chops, mac and cheese. I'm curious on this mac and cheese. We'll report back. I'm ready for guys. I'm gonna change. I'm gonna show y'all this outfit fully because I haven't showed y'all this outfit. I literally ran out of storage. I'm gonna take pictures and then we're gonna change and then we're gonna go to the game. 10 out of 10 right there. Aaliyah trying to give us some heat. It works. We got it to work. Period. Just two pictures. We'll insert. About to round the second hallway on my floor. My parents are getting checked in downstairs. I think my other family will be in the lobby. This is full body. It's tea. These are wide leg. These are the 318 wide leg. Super cute. I need to be wiped off. Do y'all see that? What's this? What is this? Hold on. Hold on. I need to sit y'all up. Hold on. Let me get a drop. Oh my gosh, these people that wrote inside me. That is so sweet of them. Thank you. Literally had an outfit emergency, so I had to freestyle what I was gonna wear. And so this is the shoe that I had on earlier. And yeah, that light back there is really bright. We are about to head out. I believe the Benz Sprinter is downstairs. So let's head out, y'all. Close it up behind himself. Yeah, this is how we're going.
Before we pull out, everybody run out real quick.
We're about to take pictures, y'all. Front of the Ritz. Oh, he want to do it indoors. Okay, I'm about to take a picture, y'all. We're here a bit early. one of my window views actually on one side of my room. I just want to sit here and watch it all night. But I'm really winding down, y'all. There's some stuff I want to show y'all tomorrow. Like, I just really need to unwind and reset. So I think I'm gonna talk to y'all over tea in the morning. Tomorrow, Ritz robe. Yeah, period. Let me take these out, child. I think I had them on. Y'all saw when I was in Sephora, but I ended up picking up a Touchland sanitizer. I haven't tried this one before. I've tried a couple. I think it's vanilla. No, it's lavender. It's just lavender. I did get another one of these. I don't know if I showed y'all this already. I did not know that Topicals is owned or run by a black woman, or was founded by a black woman. Loved it. So I'm not even finished with the first one, but my skin was acting crazy. So I had already gotten one just to kind of try to manage it before I got here. I ended up liking it so much that I bought another one, and I honestly had to do 2 separate purchases because this wasn't in the topical section. It was like close by the register, and I didn't see it in the topical section, so I thought they didn't have it. And literally as she finished ringing me out, I already tapped everything. I look over and I saw it. I don't know why the employee that I asked for assistance didn't tell me like, yo, there's one in the front. He didn't ask like, is there a specific product you're looking for? But it's okay. The last thing I got, I think y'all saw me deciding. I did choose the Makeup by Mario birthday gift from Sephora. It's his 80th birthday. Let's open this. I want to see. I hope I like it. I don't know if I like this. I hate opening stuff from the bottom. Oh, it's kind of small. So it's literally a lip pencil. I think this is like a little lip balm or lip mask. I don't remember what the associate told me, but she was a little weird too, but it's cool. Also, game last night, so I think it was a win-win either way. Grizz did take home a dub, so I am going back home with a W. I did a pale shirt. I think y'all saw this, but I didn't show it to y'all like fully. So, Orleans Pelicans. Literally didn't put that in my suitcase just to show y'all. Oh, last but not least, y'all, it's my birthday. It's been my birthday, so I do want to show y'all a gift that I got. I haven't even used it yet. I was supposed to wear this, y'all. I don't know if I told y'all I had a wardrobe malfunction. I had to change my whole game outfit. I left stuff at home. I didn't let nothing stop me. I'm not even gonna I just feel really grateful, and I'm so loved. So I didn't get to wear this baby. I literally packed it here with tags on it. Pretty much everything that I had here had tags on it, brand new. So the tags did get cut off of this. I was literally about to wear it until I had a wardrobe malfunction. So tags are gone, but this is brand new, baby. Look, it's so brown and cute. This is a toe part, if you do not know, and it's the puff style. This is size small. I'm so ready to wear this. I think it's just a great piece for the winter time that is quickly approaching. So I hope this light back there isn't too much for y'all, but it is a bright day. Like, this is just one set of my windows. My other windows over there are open a bit more than these, but it was just the sun was beaming directly in my room. It was just too bright. Yeah, you guys, the Ritz has been really sweet to me. They've sent me so many birthday wishes. The staff has been really, really great. My room is freaking fantastic. But I don't know if I read y'all this note that I came back to. I think I came back from lunch to this note, and it was in a cute little envelope. Oh my gosh, it's Ritz Carlton branded. Look at this, y'all. They wrote me a whole note. It literally says, happy 24th birthday, Jada. Welcome to the Ritz Carlton, New Orleans. Wishing you a day filled with joy, love, and happiness. Should you need any additional assistance, feel free to contact us. Enjoy. And it's signed That's just so sweet. The concierge has been like emailing, asking if I need any extra assistance. I've been pretty good so far. I honestly think I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog right here. Our next vlog, y'all probably not even expected this vlog, but I'm so ready. So don't feel bad about this vlog being cut a little short. Today is Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving in the Ritz. Y'all, they literally served beignets last night in the lobby. Like, oh my gosh. But I love you, God loves you, and mwah.